girls with their nails done now.
A driver didn't want this biker in his neighborhood.
How's it going? How are you?
Oh, in your own neighborhood. Stop running up and down the road because I'm going to have your license plate and the trooper's going to be here like they were the other day.
Okay.
Give you a heads up.
I'm sorry. I didn't know.
What's that?
What?
What's that, a camera?
Yeah. I'm sorry. I didn't know you. I didn't know it bothered you.
Just serving the neighborhood with a...
I didn't know anybody could hear it. I'm sorry.
Neighborhood is doing.
I understand. I will. I'm sorry. Try to be nice.
An angry old man stopped this biker.
What's up?
But what happens next will definitely catch you off guard.
What do you want me to do? Go on the road?
Yeah.
You want me to go on the road?
Business on the sidewalk.
Oh, that's my bad, bro.
Huh?
Get out of my way then.
Get out of your way.
Yeah, bro. I'm right behind you. You're just standing there.
You got the camera on?
Yep, it's right on.
Okay. Call him right now.
Right now.
Yeah, they can see what's happening right now.
Give me my camera right now.
Wait, what's going on here? Looks like these bikers stirred up the neighborhood, and the locals were not happy about it.
I honestly don't know.
With all the noise? What are you guys doing out here?
We're okay.
You're just ripping up and down the street. What are you guys doing? Relax.
We're just riding, bro. That's it.
We're right over there. You guys are making so much noise.
Is it that bad?
Yes,
How far
it
is right over there?
We're right on this next street.
Okay, so we came out here because there's really nobody out here. So I'm sorry if you guys. Okay, I apologize.
Too much noise.
Okay, dude. I mean, I don't know. I didn't know there's hardly any of these houses were actually people in them, dude. It's all new stuff going on. So.
And we just got here too.
We're just sitting at home with our family, trying to have a nice time, and you guys are making all this noise.
We made one pass down this way.
And it's too much.
Okay, so, dude, we've been here for literally 10 minutes.
Bro.
I don't care. You're right next to a neighborhood.
This isn't your road.
Yeah, I mean.
Already 9 o'clock, and you guys are just ripping up and down.
These guys go to sleep at 9 o'clock.
Bro. No way.
Yeah.
It's 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
It's not that.
And it's too loud.
Dude, it's okay. I'm pretty sure noise ordinance. Noise ordinance is 10 anyway. So I mean, technically.
Do me a favor and not rip up and down the street then. Trying to watch TV, I can't Respectfully, no, we're gonna keep ripping up and down the road.
This biker caught a suspicious man lurking on a pedestrian bridge near a local high school. Turns out, the creep wasn't just trying to startle girls with inappropriate behavior. He's a known predator. This biker had a very close call with a bus, and what followed was a heated confrontation you won't want to miss.
What the f*** are you doing? What are you doing? What the f***? What are you doing, man?
I didn't see you. You're driving too fast, man.
Don't blame it on me. You can't f***ing wait a minute and wait for me to come past.
I didn't see you. I didn't see you. You're driving too fast.
It's not f***ing me. I've got the mirror cut. I've got the f***ing footage.
As long as you're okay, it's all right.
I was doing the speed limit, brother.
Maybe my fault. I don't know. As long as I'm asking you if
all right, don't blame me, man. Just bro. That was the closest call I've ever had. I don't ride like that.
Happens, man. Happens.
Woo, sorry, brother. My heart. Oh my God.
Yeah,
Alright, I wasn't speeding.
I'm a good driver.
I believe you, I believe you. Thanks for stopping, yeah? Thank you for stopping, brother. Have a good day.
Bikers, if you want to stay out of trouble, think twice before pulling wheelies. They're risky, and you might just attract an angry Karen, just like this one did.
Okay, call them.
Good. Because it's kids like you that are going to hurt somebody.
Oh, okay.
Why don't you fucking go somewhere in Stanford and do that?
I already do it.
Don't do it downtown anymore.
The cops don't care.
They're going to
So why do you care?
Because you're going to hurt somebody. And if my friends are here and you do it and you run into them, they're gonna knock the fuck out of kids like you.
Okay.
I suggest you get the fuck out of this neighborhood. I'm gonna call the cops because I'm tired of you being here and you've run into me before.
Run into you? Not even?
Yeah,
oh
you
my
have.
God.
Good, I'm calling the cops.
Go call them. Watch what they're gonna say.
And I can tell you, dude, you're looking for an ass whooping from some people here. I'm just gonna call them. They're gonna come down.
Go call them. Yeah. Let's see what they say.
I've had it with you.
Okay.
All right. And you have no right to be here. What you're doing?
No right. It's a public place.
No, it's dangerous what you're doing.
The cops literally don't care. They see me do it right in front of them.
All right. Well, I'm gonna ask them to come down and file a complaint because I live here. All right. This is Ramona University. This kid who's run into me more than once with his bicycle.
I haven't run into you.
I'd like you to send policemen down. This kid is doing something that's highly illegal.
It's not illegal.
He's riding his bike without a front tire and he's running into elderly people in the middle of University Avenue, and I want to file. My name is Eichen. I want him right, Eichen, and I want that. No, stay here because the cops are going to write you up. Eichen, I'm pressing charges against this
Pressing
kid.
charges? Bro.
E-I-C-H-E-N. I'd like a squad car down here now.
He's mad because... Bro, I swear to God.
No, dude, don't leave the scene of a crime.
It's not a crime.
I'll have to tackle you. Send the cop down to University of Ramona. There's going to be an incident.
Go ahead, take off. Go.
I literally can't do anything.
Okay.
Can you go? Just walk.
I'm trying to walk.
I'm just trying to make sure you guys get here. This kid has run into me.
Oh my.
Side street.
I don't need to get out of here.
You what?
I don't need to get away from it.
You're okay?
Yeah, but I don't know why.
Please send a cruiser down to Ramona University.
I mean, he's mad because I'm doing wheelies, but the cops don't even care, and I know them.
Okay.
It's happening right now.
You're okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. They're just gonna tell. Oh no, thank you.
Okay. Take care of yourself.
You're dangerous to this neighborhood. You've run into me before. Yeah, the police are coming.
He said I hit him. I didn't even touch him. I've never.
Listen, I'm standing here, and there's a big problem.
We don't want you to be in trouble.
This kid is dangerous. He's running.
He's saying that it's illegal, but I literally talked to the cops about it, and they don't. It's not in the book.
Metallica gray shirt.
I just want to make sure that you're safe.
Yeah, I'm fine.
I'm pressing charges. You should stand back.
She's not even doing anything.
Stand back.
Are you threatening me? It sounds like you're threatening.
No. The police are coming. You don't want to get involved with it.
I don't think.
All right, then get involved when the cops come because they're on their way. No,
I'm talking to cops.
I'm going to do it in person.
Dude, I literally know the.
I'm now calling my attorney. I'm pressing charges.
What? Oh my.
He's a lawyer.
You can tell Mr. Duker to look up my mobile number. He knows who I am. I'm not going to do that. All right, don't.
Yeah, he's mad for doing wheelies.
If you want to just go and we'll just hang out.
I'd rather talk to the cops, honestly.
No, you don't need to. Yeah.
You don't know anything about what's happening here.
Why do you think that?
It doesn't matter what we know or what we don't know.
Yeah, stay out of it. This has nothing to do with you.
But you're making a scene, sir.
I'm not making a scene. I'm doing what I need to do.
It's all good.
Oh, actually, I do need to talk to the cops too, because they actually did steal my tire.
I don't steal your tire?
Yeah, no, they actually did. I know.
No, I know. I'm just telling.
That's inappropriate, bro.
I'm doing what I need to do. Anybody not involved?
I know.
Do you have like family or friends somewhere? Or are you by yourself?
I would go a couple blocks. If you need to talk to the police separately, I would call them separately. It's out of control.
All right. I'll stay a little bit back.
Just go for it. Dude.
All right.
He's being crazy, man.
Are you really gonna follow me?
They're coming.
Hey, dude.
Hey, take your hands off. Dude, I'm pressing charge. I'm not harassing you.
Did he do anything?
Yes.
What did he just do?
Well,
What did you just do?
You just touched me.
Look, man.
Because you were harassing. How old are you? 16, 17?
18.
Huh?
18.
You're 18? Still.
He's
You're
18.
harassing a
He's
young
not.
man. It doesn't matter.
Okay, this is evidence. This guy.
Oh my God.
Touch
Hey,
me.
look,
This is the
hey.
kid.
Have at it, bro. No,
Yeah.
no. You have a great day, man. Don't let this
Bro, I
ignorance.
swear to God.
I'm just doing what I need to do.
Yeah, that's fine. You gave me
I got plenty of evidence. Okay? Now you're finished, kid. You got to stop what you're doing.
What am I doing?
Running over people in our neighborhood.
I haven't even touched you, bro.
Dude, I'm pressing charges.
Oh
Yeah,
my.
you're 18. The police are coming. The police are coming. I want the police. I'm walking away from you. Pressing charges.
That's okay.
You don't know anything. You don't know.
I don't know.
You don't know the history here. You don't know the history.
But there's no.
I'll go with you guys. He's mad because
The police are gonna find you. and
I literally know the cops. Like
I know.
talked to
I know.
them.
You already told me. Good. We're gonna find out what happened.
All right, and they're literally just gonna leave and tell you to leave.
This biker didn't notice the ditch by the roadside and took a nasty fall. Luckily, there were no serious injuries. Just a reminder of why wearing safety gear is so important before hitting the road.